welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marissa. Welcome. I'm so excited you're here. Today I'm sharing 5 tips on how I maintain my house clean. And these are really simple tips and tricks I do on a daily basis so I don't get overwhelmed at the end of the day. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video because this video is in collaboration with other YouTube mamas that became dear friends of mine here on YouTube. So I'll be linking their channels down below in the description box. So make sure you give us a like, subscribe to our channels if you have not already, and turn on your bell so YouTube notifies you every time I upload a video, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so tip number 1 would be making your bed. For me, this puts me just in a good mood, just tidying things up before I go downstairs. I do the same in my kids' room. It just helps me out and motivates me to continue cleaning my house and maintaining it. So that would be tip number 1. Okay guys, so tip number 2 would be emptying your dishwasher, or if you don't have a dishwasher, putting your dishes away from the night before if you left them to dry overnight, like in my case I do sometimes. So just do that as soon as you come downstairs. It takes a load off and then you're ready for the day. You don't have to worry about putting things away later or having dirty dishes and, you know, still having the dishwasher loaded with clean dishes. So I just try to do that first thing in the morning. This helps me throughout the day, especially because, you know, I have kids. I feed them all day, 2 boys, they eat all day, so I try to help myself as much as I can. Also wiping countertops after every meal. Again, this helps out just, you know, maintaining a clean space for my family. And yeah, so that's tip number 2. Just, you know, have a clean kitchen all the time.
Yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind. And it seems like every day just gets better when you're mine. Bring you love now and forever. For my hurt, you are the cure. Like a spring, you keep me healthy with a substance that is pure. And I said, darling, darling, I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, darling, in your arms I feel secure. Darling, darling, ooh, 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 yeah, girl, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you, oh yeah. You know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. You know I miss you. And I said, darling, oh darling, you are all I want for sure. All I want for sure, darling. In your arms I feel secure. I feel secure, darling, darling. I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, darling, give me everything and more. I said, darling.
Tip number 3 would be sticking to your weekly chores. In my case is dusting the windows and wiping them down. This really, like, I dread it, but I know if I don't keep up with it, it's worse later. And it also makes it easier when you're doing like a spring clean or anything like that. Nothing is overwhelming because if you keep up with something, then it's not that dirty by the time you want to deep clean. So just stick to your routine. In my case, my weekly routines are very important. That way my monthly routines don't become as overwhelming or as dreading as, you know, they can become. And it makes it so much easier, and your house looks at least put together if you stick to some kind of routine.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my home.
4, guys, would be having empty bins around the house. In my case, I have the storage bins, empty containers, things like that, especially with kids or dogs. Both my toddler and the puppy always have toys laying on the floor. So for me to give a quick cleanup, I just get an empty bin and put things there, get it out of sight, and then your house is put together again. And then yeah, so I tend to do that every single day. And then this goes in general to maintaining a clean home. I guess it's a tip, maybe it's a bonus tip, but is having just plugins or some kind of diffuser, things like that, candles around your house, especially if you have pets or stinky children like I do sometimes. Then it helps your house smell good. And yeah, so that's another maybe bonus tip that I have for you guys. And tip number 5, guys, would be to vacuum or sweep at least once a day. It keeps your floors nice and, you know, just not looking dirty. So that's another important tip that I have for you guys, to at least sweep once a day. It makes such a difference. So there you have it, my 5 tips on how I maintain my house. I hope this helps you and gives you ideas. And if you have any tips that you want to share with me, please tell me down in the comments. I'm always trying to figure things out like a mom, and just to make things easier on myself. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out my friends' channels. I'll link them down below like I said before. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.